Today I'm going to do juicing, and this should last us 3 days. It's 4 of us, so, and we try to do it once a month. It's like a detox, and no worries because we use the leftovers. You know, you can use them for anything really, or you can use them for compost. And this really dries up and I know you're supposed to take the fiber that the fruits and veggies give you, but this is just a detox that we prefer. And I've been doing this for a long time and I love it. You feel great afterwards. I hope you try it. Hello. So I just finished juicing, and we have juice for the whole family for 3 days. And this works for us. So it's once a month. We do it for a week, which is really healthy and detox our bodies from, you know, chemicals and pollution. I hope you guys try.